Jackie.
Oh, it's insane! Oh, what a slap!
And the first fight tonight is from the blue corner, Abhimanyu Rai.
Abhimanyu Rai comes from the Shanshan Khan Academy. This is the first time, John, as I previously said, that we have combined pro fights with amateur fights. What are you looking forward to the most?
I'm really looking forward to the main event here. I think we've got a great grudge match going on. But as these amateur fighters, hats off to MFN.
Get ready to fight. And now, his opponent, Ehtisham Ansari.
Now Ehtisham Ansari is making his way out. He's the Delhi boy. He's from Knockout Fight Club, one of, if not the best MMA training center in Delhi.
आपको rules पता है amateur के, no elbows and no knees, okay? And touch gloves and go back to your corners.
Now, John, talk to me a little bit about what you look at in terms of the action and what the amateur fighters bring.
Usually they're pretty aggressive. They're hungry.
What do you think is the interesting aspect of amateur fights? Leg kick once again caught, and Abhimanyu is once again on the front foot.
He's going to look to pass this. He's not quite in full guard. He's going to try and pass this while he's on the ground. Oh, here we go.
Ehtisham briefly tried to hold on to Abhimanyu's arms, but he got free, and now he's on the top position. Now he's in a very dominant position here.
He needs to try. He's trying to roll out here. It looks like he's going to escape that guard. Let's see if he can slip out here.
Now to clue in the fans really quickly here, what are the major differences when it comes to Gamma Fruit for amateur fights and pro fights?
It's really the time difference. So we've got 3-minute rounds here, the amateur bouts, 5-minute rounds in the pro bouts. The rest of the rules are very similar with the exception of no heel hooks, anything that's going to no elbows. There's also no elbow strikes. So what we'll see in the pro fights in positions like this, a lot of times the pros will strike with their elbow from the top position. The amateurs aren't actually allowed to do that. He's getting some good headshots in here now from the top.
Right. Something needs to be done, and the referee has called out the fight.
Stop the fight.
The referee has stopped the fight. Abhimanyu Rai picks up the big win here.
Oh, we got an injury to his arm.
See the doctors here. Oh, the shots to the shoulder. The shots to the shoulder did the work.
It was his left shoulder. It was hard to see.
Ladies and gentlemen, the referee Mayank has stopped this contest in 2 minutes, 53 seconds of round 1. And the winner by TKO from the blue corner, Abhimanyu Rai.
और ये अभिमन्यु राय एंटर कर रहे हैं। इन्होंने अपनी ट्रेडिशनल टोपी भी पहन रखी है। क्या स्टाइल से एंटर कर रहे हैं, मजा आ रहा है इनकी एंट्री देखते हुए। तीर चला रहे हैं। अभिमन्यु का फाइटिंग स्टाइल MMA है।
Oh, absolutely. And here's the tale of the tape for the two guys.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner, weighing in at 60 kilograms and standing at 5 feet 9 inches tall. Hailing from Delhi, make some noise for Shashikant Singh!
Yeah!
And now, fighting out of the red corner, this fighter stands at 5 feet 11 inches tall and weighed in at 61 kilograms, fighting out of Uttarakhand, Abhimanyu Rai!
I'm very excited for this fight, Manan. It's going to be an excellent fight. I'm quite excited. What about you?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एंड्रू। और इनफैक्ट थोड़ा छोटा ही है वो हाइट में। अभी फेस ऑफ जब कर रहे थे शशिकांत नीचे देख रहा था एंड अभिमन्यु हैड ऑल दिस स्वैग अराउंड हिम।
Oh yeah.
ये बहुत एक्सप्लोसिव स्टार्ट है। एंड हियर वी गो।
Shashi is looking to take the center of the octagon. Both fighters fighting orthodox.
और एक जैब लैंड हो रहा है।
Abhimanyu's got some really good striking. As you can see, his 1-2 is quite crisp. Nice leg kick.
अभिमन्यु आते ही अपना गेम प्लान स्टार्ट कर चुका है.
Oh yes, absolutely. Oh, that was a nice right hand by Shashi. Really nice right hand.
Like you said, he's got some striking skills as well.
Oh yeah, and you can see he's defensively very sound and he takes him up to the cage. Right, I think he's just holding on to him right now. See, right, as you can see, he's putting his left leg into there. He's trying to trip him, but I don't know if he's going to use it to trip him or not. There was a nice knee.
अभिमन्यु आगे बढ़ते हैं.
Oh, that was a nice shot by SK. Drops him for a second.
SK की strike.
Oh, another head kick, and he takes another shot. SK looks like he's rocked. He needs to clinch right now. Again, he puts him up against the cage. This is what I was talking about, Manan. With a grappler, he can actually grab you, put you up against the cage, and neutralize your striking, which is what he's done with Abhimanyu right now.
और पहला राउंड खत्म होने वाला है.
Oh, and he's taking Shashi right at the bell. Right at the bell, he's taking Shashism down.
बिल्कुल. और अब राउंड 2 शुरू होने जा रहा है.
As you can see, both fighters have taken the center of the octagon.
Inside leg kick.
Oh, he hits
और
him.
लंबे shot.
Nice. That was a nice right hand by Abhimanyu. A really, really nice hand. Good inside leg kick as well. He's controlling the distance well. Oh, Shashi.
और तेज पंच कर रहा है.
Oh, this is Shashi's game. Shashi needs to take him down and needs to hold him down there.
बिल्कुल. ये गलत पोजीशन हो सकता है अभिमन्यु के लिए, क्योंकि हमने पहले भी बताया था शशि एक ग्रैपलिंग चैंपियन रह चुके हैं और ये तो बैक मिल रही है. एंड्रू, इस पोजीशन में क्या करना चाहिए अभिमन्यु को?
So right now, Shashi has got his back, but Abhimanyu has shucked him off. But the one thing that Shashi has is, oh, as you can see, he's lost the armbar.
ये बहुत ही खतरनाक हो सकता है. अगर अभिमन्यु ने यहाँ से घूंसे बजाने शुरू कर दिए तो ये फाइट कहीं भी जा सकती है.
But oh, excellent. Shashi gets up, takes a knee to the stomach, and Abhimanyu is letting loose with some shots. He hits him with a nice uppercut. Oh, that was a good counter shot by Shashi. Nice knees to the body. Both these guys are throwing down, Manan. It's a violent fight. He hits him in the back of the head. Shashi looks like
Shashi is rattled,
rocked.
definitely.
Oh, he's definitely rattled.
ये फाइट खत्म हो सकती है.
Oh my God, he threw nice uppercuts. A nice knee by Abhimanyu.
अभिमन्यु को इस टाइम रुकना नहीं चाहिए, उसको प्रेस करनी चाहिए अपनी एडवांटेज.
Oh, absolutely. I think Shashi looks like he's a little tired, a little rocked.
अगर अभिमन्यु भी मारता रहेगा तो ये फाइट खत्म भी हो सकती है.
Oh, he's taking Shashi down.
ये क्यों कर रहा है
Fantastic
वो?
takedown. Oh, Shashi is sprawled though. Really good sprawl by Shashi, but Abhimanyu is just dogged determination. As you can see, that's exactly what I was talking about.
लंबे shots
Oh, he's gotten up. He's definitely got, but he's taking a number of shots. Oh, nice takedown by Abhimanyu. This is what I mean by mixed martial arts. He's showcasing all the skills of mixed martial arts right now. Takedown, striking against the cage. Fantastic work by Abhimanyu.
बाद वाला राउंड बहुत खतरनाक हो सकता है.
Oh yeah, absolutely, Manan. The next round is going to be absolutely telling.
Alternatively, he could also try and just
Doesn't look like he's someone who plays it safe. So as you can see, oh, he got hit with a nice right.
देखो वो इतना ढीला लग रहा है, उसके पंचेस में जान नहीं लग रही है. अभी जिस तरह उसको उठा के फेंका अभिमन्यु ने,
What a hellacious fight, Manan.
बिल्कुल दोनों ही फाइटर्स बहुत वेल राउंडेड हैं, बहुत टैलेंटेड हैं.
Pro fights are going to look like.
प्रो फाइट्स में तो पागलपन होने वाला है.
Oh, there's another takedown. He's trying another takedown, but he's not going to get it. Oh, that was a fantastic fight, Manan. Fantastic.
बहुत ही बढ़िया.
If I was to say, I would think Abhimanyu won that fight. Fantastic fight, gentlemen. Fantastic.
And the winner by unanimous decision from the red corner, Abhimanyu Rai!
Manan, I'm very excited for the next bout coming up. That's a bantamweight bout between Abhimanyu Rai and Clinton D. Cruz.
Ladies and gentlemen, first we introduce the blue corner. He weighed in at 61.7 kilograms, hailing from Uttarakhand. Make some noise for the Pahari Beast, Abhimanyu Rai! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. He weighed in at 61.3 kilograms, hailing from Karnataka, the Kurgi boy, Clinton D. Cruz! Ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Abhishek Bish for us.
Manan, I really want to stand up and watch this fight.
क्लिंटन की तरफ से टेक डाउन अटेम्प्ट और बहुत अच्छा डिफेंड किया अभिमन्यु ने. क्लिंटन छोड़ नहीं रहे हैं अभी भी उस लात को, वो टेक डाउन फिनिश करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और बहुत तगड़े शॉट्स मार रहे हैं अभिमन्यु. Oh my God, Clinton got rocked.
I think Clinton is
Clinton
hurt.
got rocked.
I think Clinton is hurt. stop you. And look at it. Only 60 seconds of first round and he's already attacking.
There it is! Oh my God! Oh my
goodness.
God! That is insane!
Oh! What a
takedown.
slam! What a takedown!
He went a couple of feet up in the air there, Rahul. अगर उनको मौका मिल रहा है तो वो बहुत हार्ड लैंड कर रहे हैं, नहीं मौका मिल रहा तो सॉफ्ट लैंड कर रहे हैं, but the volume of strikes he's throwing is huge and I think Clinton has been hurt, man. In these exchanges, Clinton has been hurt multiple times. This fight could actually potentially end in this round.
I don't know what Clinton is trying to do. He's a first round finisher and
He doesn't have anything left in him, Rahul. That's what
well, I
I'm
don't
saying.
think so. Clinton can always come back. Look at those eyes. Wow! What an excellent takedown.
Yeah.
Now here, if you can see,
But look at that.
Clinton is actually trying to get some techniques there. Oh my goodness! As we
That was
said,
unpredictable. This is insane.
My goodness.
This
my
is, oh my
goodness,
God.
My goodness. Well, that's round one. Power packed.
And that was the last takedown that Abhimanyu Rai took.
I can't.
Okay, touch gloves if you want to. Step back.
Abhimanyu, we say we will be finishing it early.
Yeah.
He says he wants to go home with a heavy purse and party with friends. Let's see who's gonna party tonight.
Let's see. You know, we're gonna find out like who's gonna win tonight. There! Oh! Wow! We want to try to take him down, but there's a good takedown defense. And there!
On the floor, both are trying to finish it right now.
Yeah, he's trying his best, but it doesn't look tight. Oh! Got to capitalize on this opportunity.
Ooh.
23 seconds left on the clock. Round number 2. Heavy shots in there. Final 10 seconds on the clock. Round 2. He goes for a knee bar in there. Oh! The voice of MFN joining us here in the commentary section. 4:40 time, round 3. Oh! He got dropped! A perfectly timed haymaker.
Musa's so hungry for it. He wants to finish it right now.
Yeah. That was a great time punch. Right on the bottom. Great bout in there. He was resilient. He was